Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Farmers Insurance Bill Pay with your bank, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Farmers Insurance Bill Pay through your bank, start by logging into your online banking account. Once logged in, locate the Bill Pay section on your bank's homepage. Select the option to add a new payee or vendor. In the provided fields, enter Farmers Insurance as the payee name. Next, include your Farmers Insurance policy number for reference. Find the address for Farmers Insurance, which can typically be located on your policy documents or the Farmers Insurance website. Input the complete address into the designated field. You will then specify the payment amount you wish to set up. Choose the date you want the payment to be sent. Confirm that all the information is entered correctly, including the payee name, address, and your account details. Save the new payee information. You may want to set up recurring payments if your insurance premium is billed regularly. To do this, select the option for recurring payments and set the frequency that matches your billing cycle. Review any additional options your bank may offer for managing bill payments, such as alerts for upcoming bills. Once satisfied, finalize the setup and log out of your banking account. Keep an eye on your account to ensure that the first payment is processed correctly. For any issues, refer to your bank's customer service or the Farmers Insurance support team for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.